Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got today, you see the orange old school box. Nothing special about it. Orange, white Nike branding all around the box. But enough of that, man. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is, the Nike Air Max 97 in pure platinum and university red. Now, I'm not sure if y'all familiar with this shoe, but let's go ahead and get into it, man. Here it is, Nike Air Max 97. So far, I never heard a nickname for it, but we just gonna go with the OG Air Max 1 colorway. Now, the reason why I say that is because this one drew inspiration from the Air Max 1, the original color. It helped, paying a little bit of homage to the shoe that kicked off all of the Air Max fiasco which going on, you know what I'm saying? Under the bottom, you see you got the black, red, and white theme. It is what it is. Now, looking at the shoe, the first thing that stands out is that red patent leather mud guard. Top view. Back, you got the Air Max on the pull tab in red. See the Nike check in the back. Medial side, pretty plain. I think overall, man, it's a dope little shoe. It's a nice low-key shoe, man. But that patent leather stands out to me, man. I'm liking that. I'm feeling it. You know what I mean? So, looking at the other shoe, everything's the same. There's no difference between the two. Not even a single word is different, So, as I look at it, pretty much same as what we saw. There's that patent leather. Here's your mesh under the swoosh. As I look at the air unit in gray, or better yet, silver. Pull tab says Air Max on this one too. It's a pretty simple shoe, man, but it's a little flashy. You know what I'm saying? You see you got the Nike check on the tongue. I'm feeling it, man, So let me know what y'all think, man. I don't know the release date on these, and if they came out already, let me know. So look, y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be dropping a couple more videos tonight. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazab504, and go check out the new website, man. The link gonna be in the description, and I'ma holla back.